Hi guys, so I just want to give my thoughts on what would be considered the Google monopoly or the Google takeover in the SEO and search engine realm from Module 4. So just to begin, I do want to just show my business. I do the Google Analytics, their source or medium. This is just a small window, but consistently over, I would say, the past 2 years since we launched our new website, Google has been the top source for traffic or for a referral to our website. So you can see, Bing and Yahoo, they're up there as well, but Google is typically number one. And then slowly at the bottom, you'll see that we also have Facebook that creeps up. And then sometimes if we do sweepstakes or send out sales through email and our newsletters, those will be in there too. But going back to the conversation about Google dominating all of the search engines, this is, I thought, a really good example of that, that Google it never drops down to anything less than number one. I think a lot of people do trust Google when it comes to looking for reliable content. So just going deeper into my thoughts on Google. In 2014, the CNBC posted an article, and the title of the article was "Where Will Google Be in 10 Years?" And the result of the article was that they will be even bigger. So here we are, 4 years later, and Google is still dominating the industry. And I think a part of this is because they are constantly evolving and integrating, and I don't think that that will ever change. I think Google has done and will continue to do a good job of taking strides toward combining news, something similar to Yahoo, and also combining e-commerce sites, which is kind of something similar to what Amazon offers. And I also think that offering cloud-based options now too, people just know that Google is an all-around in-home name. Everyone knows what Google is, and based on that, there is that level of trust. In an article that we read for Module 4, the 8 crucial rules for dominating Google search results, Adams notes that Google has and continues to offer the most relevant and the most organic search results to users quickly and accurately. And that's all because of their algorithm. So while I think, domination of the market is something that people really focus on, I think what I think of when I think of Google is it just boils down to trust. They are in it to provide trustworthy content to the end user. And another thing that was pointed out in Adams's article is that Google does not trust you. You have to gain Google's trust as a website provider. So that boils down to the SEO. So I guess in conclusion, I think that Google is just going to continue to become bigger. They're a very innovative company from what I can tell, and they will just continue to grow and offer trustworthy, reliable sources as time goes on. I think that search engines like Bing and Yahoo, even some that are overseas, those will never go out of business. I just don't think that they will ever have the results that Google does.